Hello and welcome to the Grow at Home program. We are so happy that you decided to take part in this effort. I'm Kathy Wise, I am with Audubon Southwest, and today I'm just going to walk you through what to expect when you get your box in the mail, how you grow your plants, and then how we're going to hand them off. So before we get started, just a couple words about sunflowers. Cheerful, great for birds, especially lesser goldfinch, house finch, a number of others that eat their seeds, or even the flycatchers that will enjoy the bugs that are attracted to the sunflower. What's more is we love them. They're beautiful, they're cheerful, and they're easy to grow. So this is going to be a lot of fun. So, oh my gosh, it came in the mail. You have a box. What's inside? Well, for you, there's going to be probably some more fun stuff, but we're just going to go over the basics. So you have enough soil in this box to fill 10 pots. The pots are made out of peat, they're organic. The reason that we chose these pots was because they degrade. Sunflowers do not like to be transplanted. So what that means is we're going to be able to, when it's time to put them in the garden, just take off the bottom of the pot, plunk them right in, and they're good to go. You'll also get sunflower seeds. So we want you to grow 10 plants. You may notice after a couple days, a lot of them have sprouted, some of them didn't. You should have enough seeds to replant at that time. Are you ready to get started? Good. First thing you want to do is find a pan. And the reason for the pan is, remember, like I said before, these peat pots, they degrade. And so they will leak, definitely, which is good in the garden, that's fine, but you probably don't want it in your house. So do protect your furniture or wherever you have the pots. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to fill your pots with soil. And you should have plenty of soil in your bag. For all the pots, and you might even have a little bit extra. So go ahead and just, if you have extra, put it in your garden, give it to your house plants, whatever you want. We don't need it back. And once you have filled the pot, you're just going to go ahead and kind of lightly tap the soil in, sort of pack it a little bit. You don't have to go crazy, but just kind of, make sure that it's packed in there. And you're going to do that with all the pots. I'm not going to do all the pots, I just wanted to give you an idea. But you want to make sure that they're all filled. And then the next thing you're going to do, this is very important, you're just going to put a little bit of water into the soil, and that just helps to compact the soil a little bit, and it prevents when you plant the seed and that first time you water, having the soil just kind of explode out of the pot. So once your pots are filled with soil, you're going to go to the seed planting part. And you'll notice when you open up your seed packet that the seeds are all different. This is a mix of sunflowers. These are going to be planted in the Rio Salado Children's Garden. We're not sure which variety is going to do the best, but they're all very, very good for birds. And the most common problem that people encounter when they're planting seeds is they plant the seeds too deeply. So as you notice that the seeds are different sizes, you're going to want to be very cognizant of the fact that we only want to plant the seed as deep as the seed is tall. So maybe slightly more than that, but really not much. So you can go ahead and use your finger or a pen or something like that, make an indentation in the soil, place the seed in, and it's a good idea to do them all at once. Go ahead and make the indentations, drop the seeds in. That way you don't forget where you left off. Did I plant a seed in this one? Did I not? I can't remember. You won't have to worry about that. Instead, you just make the indentations, drop the seeds in, do all the pots, and then go over them and just kind of gently tap the soil, tuck them in, and then you're going to water them in again. Just a little bit, you really don't have to flood the pot, and that's good, you're good to go. It was easy, wasn't it? And it was fun. I would love to hear from you. You have my email address, please send me pictures of your sprouts or updates on how they're doing. This is a pilot project. We've never done it before, so your feedback is really invaluable in helping us improve in the future. So in no time at all, you are going to have sunflowers. That's awesome. And we at Audubon would like 5 of the plants for the Rio Salado garden, and that means you can keep 5. If you don't have a place for them or you don't want them, we'll take them all. And I will be in touch with you for the planting. The date has not been determined yet. We will probably have sign-up sheets where you can get a shift, meaning we're going to stagger people's visits so that we don't have too many people at one time. We want to keep everybody safe. Audubon protects birds in the places that they need today and tomorrow, and we really appreciate you being a part of this. Thank you.